Okay, so Google Cloud obviously has a lot of services, but how do you know what is available for your region or area? Well, one of the easiest ways to find out is going to cloud.google.com about/locations. If you scroll on down here, it's going to tell you products available by location. So, if you're looking for something particular, you can use this grid. I don't find this to be the easiest to work with, but I mean, like, I'm in Canada, right? So I might go here and say, okay, well, I guess App Engine is not available here in Toronto, but it is available in Montreal. So if I want to utilize it, we can. They also have up here this region picker tool. So if you go over to here, it's really originally, I think, for carbon footprint. But if you're just trying to find, a specific location, so maybe we say Canada, right? It's telling you the next one that you should recommend it to. So if I'm in Canada, then it's saying, it'd be more efficient to use it here. I'm not sure why Montreal and Toronto would be third. It seems like that should be on top. But clicking through here, like if it's just not in the list, like we saw, what was it? App Engine's not available. So we click on this, and so we can see that there is no Toronto location. So that is another way to determine it. And sometimes the docs will tell you what locations it runs in. But this is not always a reliable way to do this. So if we were to switch to another product, so we go here and we go to Compute Engine, I'm not sure if it would have, the same option. So we go back over to here. So here we see locations under resources. Okay, so we'll go over to here in the docs. And notice like the UI, it's not even consistent. So you have to just kind of fish for it. But for the most part, if you need to find something, it's right here. Okay. But there you go.